Sunrise. First light. A signal to get your morning going. Every moment starts with what we sense. Our eyes sense light to understand the world around us. Similarly, light is a cue to the electronics we depend on. They're becoming more and more capable, and Texas Instruments' rapidly evolving portfolio of optical sensors is one reason why.
It is important for the devices, or our optical sensors specifically, to be responsive to the world around us.
This allows designers to create better user experiences or even sometimes create new features.
The most exciting thing, I guess, for me about the versatility of light sensors is I get to support our light sensors going into so many different products. It's not just display brightness adjustment or LED brightness adjustment. It can go into all these different types of products as well. And that list of functions is also expanding now as we see artificial intelligence getting integrated into solutions. We see more sensor fusion, so that's happening more and more.
You can pull examples of light sensing from anywhere in your environment. So for example, a lot of animals can see what we can't see.
Nature shows there's more to light than our eyes perceive. Some animals use infrared vision in murky water. Some use ultraviolet sight to find flowers, while others benefit from superior long-distance focus. Likewise, TI's latest high-resolution, broad-spectrum light sensors can see things we cannot.
And the reason that sometimes we actually have to go and exceed the performance of the human eye is that the light sensor will be placed in scenarios that are more extreme than where a human is placed.
We need to be able to work under all the different conditions and extremes.
We develop better light sensors for higher sensitivity, speed, and accuracy.
Speed is a very critical part of licensing because of the system dependency on sensed information.
Being able to quickly react when the car is going into and out of a tunnel, and all of those directly impact how quickly can the system adjust so that the user doesn't notice that change. It's a very seamless experience for them.
Just as important is reliability. We're going to give something that works time and time again in all environments.
We want to create this great relationship between customer and TI.
One of those ways is extensively testing both our sensor as well as our sensor in the customer systems.
So for calibration for our customers, that's something that's really unique that TI offers, and it's also really important for the customers.
This is our light source EVM. We want to help customers use our parts and their devices, and this helps us do that.
For multiple different applications, especially with displays, we try to get to thinner and thinner bezels, and the way that we do that is with smaller devices.
We have an extremely small sensor with our PicoStar package, and that enables the sensor to go fit into very, very small type of systems.
In the past, people were definitely thinking about going to smaller bezels. However, I don't think they would have seen it in such a large scale as what we're doing now, or should I say such a small scale.
Sensing is the start of an electronic chain that relies on getting accurate data fast to make informed decisions. Quality results depend on quality input.
TI has a unique understanding of sensing because we have a deep understanding of entire systems.
I really like the optical sensing space because it's merging all of these different fields from like physics and optics and electronics. And then I really like the team that I work with in that we're always pushing each other and challenging each other to kind of be the best that we can.
Light sensing is one of those areas that has a big impact on where tech is headed.
There's a ton of institutional expertise here at TI. We're always thinking about what's next and what designers and engineers need to get there,
so that we can then give our customers the best solutions.
To learn more about how TI is illuminating new possibilities, visit ti.com/lightsensing.